and today I'm going to show you how to make popcorn on the stove. Yes, popcorn on the stove. I know some of you guys wondering, wow, I've never seen popcorn done on the stove. Believe it or not, there's a lot of students, kids that have never seen popcorn done on the stove. All they know is the microwave popcorn. So today I'm going to show you how to make popcorn on the stove. And basically you need a pot. I use olive oil and butter, and of course popcorn. Okay, we're going to get started making our popcorn. First off, we're using the electric stove. I normally like to use a gas stove, but I'm using an electric stove today. And I'm going to put my settings, I'm going to start it off around 7. And then we'll change the setting as we go. First off, I'm going to start off with a little olive oil. I probably use, let me see, 1, 2, we're going to go with 3 tablespoons of olive oil, okay? And we're going to go with 1 tablespoon of butter. As you can hear, the butter is starting to melt. Put my settings on about 7 right about now. I don't want my butter to burn, so I'm going to set that off for a little bit. That's one thing you got to watch out. You don't want your butter to burn. That's why I use a little olive oil to keep my butter from burning. I don't want my butter to burn, so I'm gonna put just a little more olive oil in there, and I'm going to fill the bottom of the pan with my popcorn, and I'll show you that in just a second. Now you can see that the popcorn has started to heat up, and my settings, I'm going to turn them up just a hair. Again, I don't want the popcorn to burn, and in a few seconds you're going to see the magic happen. Right now the aroma of popcorn is in the room. Even right now, if someone was in the living room, they would know that the magic is getting ready to happen. Just put just a few more corn kernels in there. The magic is about to happen. Once you hear the first couple of pops, then we can put our top on and you can watch. I have a glass top and you can watch the magic happen. Now this time it looks like I got my butter just a little darker than I really wanted it. And that's what you have to watch for when you're using a electric stove. As you can see, the magic is about to start happening, and we're going to put the top on there and watch her get busy. Now right now I have my settings on 8, 8.5. I'm going to start turning it down. I'm going to give it a little shake as it's going. Give it a little more shake as it's going, as it's cooking. Turn my settings down again a little bit. You don't want a popcorn to burn. magic is happening. As soon as I start hearing just a little popping going on, I take it off the stove so it doesn't burn. Turn my stove off, and voila. There you have it, folks. Popcorn. Now that we have our popcorn finished, nice buttery yellow popcorn, pour it into a nice big bowl. And if you can see, we have most of the kernels have popped. It's looking good. The next thing I do is put a little salt on it. Just a little. And let me get over here in my drawer and I find me a little spatula or a little spoon, and I kind of stir. You want to put the salt on it while it's warm or hot so it sticks to the popcorn. But just a little more salt on it. And there we have it, folks. Popcorn on the stove, very delicious.
I answer no. The boy up. I can't swim. I never could swim.